So far I have been using improvised devices to place this mobile phone camera when I am doing exercises to shoot all what I am doing. Like this, I am using this cardboard box, my dictionary, books, whatever I can get my hands on to get the required angle. One of my well-wishers who gifted me this mobile phone has also gifted me now this selfie stick. So I am opening this in front of the camera. I received this package as such. uh, Actually my address is there, that person's name is there. I am not showing it, so he wishes to remain private. The package says the manufacturer's name Trimurti Polychem Private Limited, Harshahalli, Kanakapura Taluk, Karnataka. This packing information is there. This pack is recyclable. This is from Amazon. I think I should use a knife, a paper cutter to open this. So now here comes the real thing. It is out. I think this is the bill, tax invoice, bill of supply, cash memo, it says. So here is the real thing. This one. Here is the real thing. It says how to use. Long press the remote button to power on. LED indicator will blink. Specifications, it says main material stainless steel, mount holder 2.4 to 3 inch, retracted length is 7.28 inch, extended length is 26.8 inches. Product size is 47.5 by 32 by 185 millimeters. This one has a battery. This says everything in pictogram. These pictograms are there. So this is how this thing looks like. Maybe I am now opening it. Here is how this thing looks like. This is the pack as I received it. So here it is. I will have to go through this instruction manual and maybe watch a few videos of this selfie stick, how to use this, then start using this.